You pay on time, you never miss, and your score didn't move. You're not irresponsible. You're treating the wrong symptom. A credit score isn't a reward for good behavior. It measures one thing: how you use credit. Not whether you pay, but how much of your available credit you're holding at any moment. Pay off a card, then close it, and your available credit shrinks. Your usage ratio jumps. Score drops. Find the root cause, then fix it. Let's get into the protocol. Here's the symptom almost everyone presents with. I'm responsible with money, but my score doesn't reflect it. It's real, and it's frustrating. Here's why it happens. Being good with money and having a good credit score feel like the same thing. They're not. You can be debt-free, frugal, disciplined, and still have a mediocre score. You can be carrying debt, stressed, barely keeping up, and have an excellent one. The score isn't grading your character. It's grading something much narrower. So before we fix anything, we look at what the system actually measures. Let me make the root cause concrete. Your credit score is built from 5 inputs, but they aren't equal. 2 of them carry nearly 2/3 of the weight: payment history, do you pay on time, and utilization, how much of your available credit you're using. Utilization is where almost everyone gets stuck, because it's misunderstood in 2 ways. First, it isn't about debt. It's a snapshot. Your card reports your balance on one day each month, your statement date. So you could charge $2,000, pay it off in full days later, and still look maxed out, simply because the snapshot was taken while that balance was sitting there. Second, closing a card backfires. Cancel one, and you erase its credit limit from your total. Same spending, less available credit, so your ratio climbs and your score drops. A responsible move, punished. So here's the truth. The number is measuring a ratio, captured on a date you were never told to watch. So here's the protocol, not tips, a sequence in order of leverage. Protocol 1, pull the actual data. You can't treat what you can't see. Get your full report. In the US, that's at annualcreditreport.com, the only authorized source. You're hunting for the one thing dragging the score: a late mark, a high balance, a closed card, an error. Errors are common, and disputing them is free. Protocol 2, fix the snapshot, not just the balance. Highest leverage, and it works fast. Usually 1 billing cycle. Pay your card down before the statement date, not just before the due date. You want a low number reported, not just paid off eventually. This one change moves scores that have been stuck for months. Protocol 3, increase the denominator. Utilization is balance divided by limit. Now raise the limit. Request a credit limit increase. Many issuers do it with a soft pull that won't touch your score, but ask first. Higher limit, same spending, lower ratio. The math does the work. Protocol 4, stop closing accounts. An old card with no annual fee is an asset, even if you never use it. It holds your limit, and it ages your history. So put one small recurring charge on it, set autopay, and leave it open. Closing it is the responsible feeling move that quietly costs you. Protocol 5, and this is the one nobody wants to hear: time. Payment history and age of accounts only heal with consistency. There's no protocol that beats time here. There's only not making it worse while it heals. So automate every minimum payment, so a missed date can never re-injure the score again. So step back. The reason your score felt stuck was never a discipline problem. It was a diagnosis problem. You were optimizing for responsible. The system was measuring something specific: low ratio, paid on time, accounts left open, given time. Once you see what's actually being measured, the fix stops being mysterious. It's not about trying harder. It's about aiming at the right target. So pick one protocol, just one. Pull the report, or find your statement date and move a single payment earlier. One change this week. This is what we do here every week. Find the root cause, then the protocol that follows. If that's useful to you, subscribe. Find the cause, fix the cause. See you next week.